start an eval on it, and then you know, 6 months down the road I'll let you know how it worked out. Well, today it's on razors. As you can see, I haven't been shaving in a while, but I do shave this area and the side, and under my chin on a daily basis. I haven't, because I've been I've been wanting to try this out. The ones I've been using have been the Gillette's, and this is a CVS brand knockoff on the Gillette. The thing is, these are 5-blade. Yeah, these are a 5-blade. But a pack of 4 blades costs you $11. Well, I'm down needing to buy a new one, new set. I already used up the 4 out of this one, so I'm getting ready to buy another one. But I was in Walmart the other day and I saw this, and the ToughBlade Pro, as seen on TV. It was $19.95 for a year's worth of blades. Give you 12 blades, and should last you a year's worth of shaving. Now this is a 3-blade. It's only got 3 blades, so I'm curious. And it's Brett Favor is the spokesperson, or the individual who's got his name on him. So I'm gonna try it. It's supposed to get an LED light. I'm not sure what they're gonna. And a power handle, micro vibrations for a smoother shave, laser guided for precision. So it requires one AA battery. We got some of those here, so I'll open this up real quick. So just so you can see what it's entailing, and then 12. So I'm going to try it. A lot, as you've seen on TV. Boy, that is definitely a marketing ploy there. But so the handles, panning handles, a little fatter. Of course, that's because it's got a battery going in it. I wonder how you get the battery in it. It's got to be the disconnect. Yeah. Release. Okay. 12. Oh, there's battery included. This is the battery. Turbo cell. See how this thing goes in. So you gotta pull something, pull it down. Okay. That's in plastic. Don't forget to unplastic it. scissors. More scissors. And plastic off of it. Slide it down in there. I figured for $22 you're getting a year. You're getting a total of 12 cartridges. You know, plus the thing. I'm no kidding. You hear that vibrate? With the light. No kidding. We're gonna try it tonight and see what it does. If you want to turn the light out in the bathtub, in the shower, huh? Oh, okay. And this is the cartridge remover. So push. Pop that. So I guess it breaks. I'll break off in a minute. Oh, I got you. Give me a... Yeah, I'm doing... There you go. And so I just took the cover off and replaced the blades. Flex is pretty good. We'll find out. A little vibration, huh? Oh. So there's a little light. One push on the button starts the vibration, and you get a light, and then you can push it once again, turn out the LED up there, and then the light, and then turn it completely off. Huh. Okay. Let me check real quick how to... Got this. I was kind of curious to find out how to change the blades real quick. Man. He's killing me now. Get it in the package. Another package. Let's cut around the sides. Cut myself instead of my beard, dude. Okay, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Push the blade, push the slide button forward toward the shaving. Right, slide, compartment. Which one? So I'm going to push it forward. Okay, there you go. Okay, she did let go. So it's pretty simple. Push forward. And back on now. Push that. Gotta push that slide button all the way in there. Pretty hard. Put this back in its holder real quick. Just like you would be doing a brand new. Okay. Again, as you can see, you got your two little indentions here. You got your center, and you got your little claw pads there. Next time, shit. Huh. Kicking my butt. Blade release. Push the blade release forward toward shaving head cartridge. Release 1. With the slide button still pushed forward, line up a new shaving head cartridge so that the arms on the unit snap into the openings on the back side of the head blade too. Always attach cartridge with a cap on. And then I'm going to go on a clean rinse. Okay. That's just a little LED. This is a flashlight. I don't have a. Okay. Okay. Green facing down. Yep, with the green. Sure, the green's facing down. Your head's up. Push it. Actually, I'm backwards. Green should be facing up. White should be facing down. There you go. Well, I gotta tell you, it's kicking my butt. I'm really having a challenging time putting this in. According to the picture, shaving head. Green is facing down. Okay, let's put it on the table. Let's see if it works better that way. Well, guess what? There's a cigarette. Put it on a table. Don't try to do it. Don't try and do it. You can do it when you take it out. You go replace it. Okay. Put it back in its little holder. I'm kicking my butt. Should I have put it on my table, but okay. So starting from scratch. Okay. It's in there. Put it on the table. you're looking at it, as you're looking it down, you'll see the blades are at the top, because you want that white thing at the top. Go ahead and push your. You will keep pushing that button. I don't know why I do. Put it on your table. And it's definitely easy if you put it on the table and then push it in. There you go. And then you take it off. Now you got full flex. There you go. Get a little light. Alright. There's a secret. I just leave it in. I just leave the cover on there until you're ready to use it. Actually, I think I put it back on right after you get done using it. So, there we go. Hi, kick my ass. 18 minutes, come on now. Okay. No, it's going to get cut down. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Maybe you're already using it. And we'll get another video up. I'm going to go to change the blades on it. So, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. And you'll catch me again on the next. I just bought it.